my dream microphone is actually from Yamaha. Because it's white and it's pretty. I've tried it before and it's
Magkano
really
yung
nice. I think it's about like 15.
15,000? Sige. Bigyan ng microphone niya!
Ay, pumasok ng mga babae.
sa kotse. Yung mga taong grasa. Pero,
Ayos
paano ka
yung
natuto
mga-
ng
Gitara.
gitara?
Oh, it was required for school before. And then I got into it lang siguro.
College or high school?
High school.
Okay.
Yeah. But before that, as a kid, my lola would take me to Bohol every year for fiesta.
Oo.
And she would make me sing yung, the typical na, sing for us. Dun sa fiesta or family gatherings.
Ang
So, sanayan na ako sa singing in front of crowds. Pero I only took it seriously mga college na. Yeah.
natatanda mo pa kung ano yung mga pinapakanta sa'yo ng lola mo na?
Mulan, Reflection, Adele.
Mulan.
Yeah.
Mulan. Ano ba yan? Stand-up comedian sa'yo? Kailangan mas maganda pa yung jokes.
Oo nga, busina nga ako.
Sinagasaan mo yung nasa harap natin. No? Pero yung, kasi at an early age, nagpe-perform ka na sa maraming tao.
Yeah.
Eh di, hindi ka pa aware sa kaba noon? O kinakabahan ka na nung bata ka? And maaga mo lang siyang,
I think mas
Putang ina mo!
Hindi, magpapakita na.
Sorry, mix.
Ano
Nadala
lang
lang ako ng
yun.
emotions.
mas siguro. Parang na
Mixed emotions.
mixed feelings. I think it's more of na sobrang sanay na parang like, I have to do it again. Parang ganon. So, I think it became a different emotion. Pero when I started singing my own songs in front of people, parang mas proud ako. And like, I think nawalan nga ng kaba. Kaba?
Anong kanta ang pinaka-proud ka? And paano yung journey mo nung pagsulat na yun?
Can I share? I'll be launching a song this November.
Anong
Ay,
song?
sige nga, sige.
Yeah.
Sige.
So it's not out yet as of now.
Okay.
But I think when this episode comes out, it'll be out already. I wrote a song called Take Me Home. And it's a song about society and how, because you know how in the Philippines we're a primarily Catholic or Christian country, and Jesus is, well, I don't want to really make it like all about religion, but
Okay.
it's really ironic na the religion in general is meant to be a good example, to be kinder, to be more compassionate. But a lot of people here in the Philippines use it as a tool to create fear na, you're gonna go to hell if you're like this, ganon.
Don't
if you're a
get me
sinner.
started
ganon.
with that.
Yeah. So that's a song about that na it mas reminder siya na, friendly reminder na we need to kind of go back to our roots and be kinder people regardless if you're a religious person or not in general.
Oo.
Yeah.
So, bakit Take Me Home?
Take me home cause take me. Take me home cause the home there, that home. Yes.
Yung bubong.
Gets.
Take me, parang, kung heaven yung home, take me home, parang, is it some kind of, gusto mo nang pumunta sa langit? Parang ganun ba?
Hindi naman. I think it's this is a little deeper, but Take Me Home kasi is going back to your roots also and kind of sitting back and
Okay.
remembering where you came from then kasi that way.
Actually,
Anong naging driving inspiration mo doon? Nagkaroon ka ba ng nabully ka ba? Or online? Ng mga religious person?
Hindi naman. I guess it was just society in general. Na
Observations mo na?
observations, tsaka, first-hand experiences also na, don't do this, don't do that kasi God will not like it. Parang ganon. Now, why? Why is that affecting anybody else? Like, other things, like, because I went to UP and a lot of people were open about their sexuality. And they would share stories about, like, the discrimination they get for just being gay, ganon, and people telling them to go to hell for no reason. Like, for what? And it takes us away from the real message na we should be better people. Just in general, diba?
Ano ka ba? Religious person ka ba?
I wouldn't consider myself too religious. But I pray. I'm still,
Pero
So,
pwede mo siyang
I still
maklasify
identify.
as agnostic.
No, I would still say I'm Catholic.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
But I'm not
nagsisimba
like,
ka pa rin.
yeah, I do. Every Sunday. It's my grandparents.
Kasi ako hindi na eh.
Good girl. Oh,
Kasi ako Catholic ako, pero yun nga, every time na mapag-usapan din namin yung religion sa podcast, ikaw ba nagsisimba ka pa?
Hindi.
Ulo, pupunta kang hell.
hello.
Ikaw lang nagsabi na hindi ka nagsisimba.
Sulit ang kulitan, bitin sa tawanan. Catch the latest episodes on YouTube, Spotify, or wherever you listen to podcasts. Dito lang sa Fast Lane with VinFast.